Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Camping World credit card, so the Good Sam Visa. Now, if you guys know anything about the shopping cart trick, then you know that you're able to get a credit card through Camping World, which is their, let's see if they can see it. They're going to pop up right here, but which is their Good Sam Visa or Good Sam credit card. Now, I told you guys about this credit card before and how I was able to get multiple people approved for the credit card. And on top of that, someone was actually able to get a $3,000 Visa, and then other clients were able to get like store cards or just a smaller amount in the Visa credit card. Now, someone said that this trick is no longer working, but I want to show it to you because look at here. I'm going to show you. This is the pop-up I just tried for a client. I tried it to see if they can be able to get approved, and they got the pop-up. Let them know that they're pre-approved. So I want you to try it also. So the first thing that I want you to do is make sure you clear the cookies on your computer and make sure that you're allowing pop-ups on your computer. Allowing pop-ups is very, very important. So go to your settings, clear cookies, and then also allow pop-ups. After you do that, then I want you guys to go to I want you guys to go to the campingworld.com website. Now, when you guys are on this website, what I want you to do is click on Shop Now, and you want to, for the shopping cart trick to work for you guys, you want to add items to your cart as if you're going to buy it. Because when they see that you're about to buy an item, they're going to offer you a credit card. And you're going to get the credit card, and you don't have to buy the items, but your credit card will be on the way. So this is what you want to do. You want to add about $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. So I like to find something that's like 50 something dollars. Like this right here is like perfect. So I will go ahead and choose this item right here because it's $54, because I can get four of these and then that'd be perfectly between that $200 to $250. So let's go ahead and just pick a color and make sure that we add four of them to our cart and click the add to cart. Now, after you add this to cart, you want to click review cart and checkout. Now they're saying that it's $219.88. If you can look on the screen, they already trying to give people this credit card. They want everybody to get this credit card. So you can see these are the credit cards right here. You can get the Visa, or you can just get the store card that you can use at the Camping World RV and Outdoors. So remember, you want to have $200 worth of items in your cart, but you don't want to go ahead and apply right here. You don't want to click apply right here. You don't want to click apply right here. They have, apply the code. And they also have it right here too to apply for the Visa. You don't want to pick any of those. You want to just do the secure checkout. Again, make sure it's $200 to $250, and that's it. Don't go below that. Don't go over it. So go ahead and do that and click secure checkout. After you guys click secure checkout, they're asking you, hey, are you a returning customer? You can go ahead and log in. Always tell everybody just check out as a guest. So let's click checkout as a guest. Now, after you click checkout as a guest, you're going to want to fill in all of this information here. So you're going to want to put your first and last name. You're going to want to put your address, your city, state, and zip code, your phone number, and make sure you type it in just like this. Like, can you see how they're doing it? You have to put your dashes in there. So type it in just like that and put your email address. Make sure that all this information is correct and you're updating information. And if you guys know anything about the shopping cart trick, you want to make sure you opt in to Factor Trust and also opt into the pre-screen opt-out. And I'm going to have those links down below just in case you haven't done that yet. You want to opt into both of these companies so that your information will be in their system so that they can go ahead and approve you for the credit card. And they'll know to look out for you. But go ahead and click right here. Would you like to receive offers in the mails? I don't know if you want to receive any offers from them or from their affiliates, but always just click no. And then if your billing is the same as the shipping, just go ahead and just keep this checked. Don't even mess with that. I'm thinking as if you don't want to buy this, you just want the credit card. After you do that, you want to click continue to shipping method. Now, if you click continue to shipping method, they're going to verify that your address is what you want your address to be. And let's type a few things in here and I'm going to do it. Let me show you what I mean. But they're going to want to verify that the information that we put on here is actually the correct information. Oh, there's an error. No. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Okay, so this is the screen where they want to verify, like, is this your address? You sure you want to continue to a payment? So this is that screen. And what you want to do is you want to click right here and click continue to payment. After you click continue to payment, you got, I tell people just wait a little bit because you're going to get a pop-up. And this is the pop-up that you're going to get right here. And it's going to let you know that, hey, you've been pre-approved for the Camping World Visa, or they'll just say the Camping World credit card. They'll let you know which one you're pre-approved for. This person actually got pre-approved for the Visa, which is really good. But this is the pop-up that you should get. If you do not get this pop-up, that means that you probably can't do the shopping cart trick for this one credit card. But there's other credit cards you can do out there. If you do get this pop-up, then go ahead and click accept. So go ahead and click that you want to accept the offer, or go ahead and just continue with the steps that you have to continue with. They want your personal information again, same information that you put right here. This is the information that you're going to have to put on the application. And then they're going to need the last 4 digits of your social security number. And then you should be able to, after you click submit, they should let you know how much you're actually approved for. If they tell you they want you to wait 7 to 10 business days to receive something in the mail, that's only because they want to verify your identity. You know, they want to verify that you're an actual and real person. Now, someone actually said that they did get a hard inquiry from doing the Camping World credit card because it is a Visa credit card. So make sure you guys watch out for that. And they said it was actually hard to remove that inquiry from their credit reports. So if you don't want any inquiries, you don't want to, play the guessing game to see if you're going to possibly get an inquiry or not get an inquiry, then I want you to not do this credit card at all. But there's other credit cards that you can do. So let me go over those with you quickly. So a credit card that you guys can do is you guys can do the Victoria's Secrets credit card. This is a very easy credit card that you can do. I see a lot of people get approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. If you're going to get any pop-up saying that you're approved for a credit card, it's going to most likely be Victoria's Secrets. And when I say most likely, is because Victoria's Secret is an easy credit card to get with the shopping cart trick. Another credit card is Express. You guys can get the Express credit card, and this is another credit card with the shopping cart trick. A lot of times people apply for credit card, what they want to do the shopping cart trick, I always tell them, hey, if you want to know that if you can do the shopping cart trick with your name, I want you guys to try the Victoria's Secret and try Express. If you get a pop-up saying that you're pre-approved, that means that your name is circulating through the systems now with all of the shopping cart trick credit cards. So these are the easier ones to get. If you can't get a pop-up with these two, then maybe your name is not in the system yet. And I want you guys to make sure that you opt in to Factor Trust, and you also do the pre-screen opt-out. And you should be able to get these pop-ups, and after you do that, they should be after you get the pop-ups on these different credit cards, you should be able to get them. But like I said, try these credit cards, and you also have the Overstock credit cards. If you may want a higher credit limit, try to Overstock. Overstock is a credit card you can possibly get with a shopping cart trick, but it's harder than the Victoria's Secrets, and it's also harder than if you guys are doing the Victoria's Secrets or if you guys were doing Express. It's actually harder. So yeah, you guys can definitely try these different credit card companies. And again, this is the shopping cart trick, but that Visa card is still not off the table. It's not like you can't get that credit card. Like I said, I just tried to do the shopping cart trick and I got that pop up so I can show it to you guys. So just the point that I got that pop up means that the shopping cart is still working with that Visa credit card with a good Sam. So if you have any questions, definitely let me know. Call or text me 833-Rickita. And then you guys don't forget, if you want us to try to see if the shopping cart trick can work on our computer, because maybe it's just not working on your computer, your phone that you're using, make sure you use that link down below and we can try the shopping cart trick for you. But I'll see you guys later. Thank you.